Hi, and welcome to my skincare channel. My name is Alicia, and today, well, please listen. Stop. If you're treating acne scars while still breaking out, you're making the worst mistake that's keeping your skin damaged forever. Discover why 90% of people fail at treating acne scars and the natural protocol that actually works. Learn the shocking mistakes keeping your skin trapped in damaged cycles and the simple natural solution that transforms scarred skin. Permanently, no expensive treatments needed. Please listen to me well. If you're watching this video, chances are you've been making the same devastating mistake that keeps your acne scars looking worse year after year. And I'm about to expose exactly what that mistake is. Just last week, I had a consultation with Sarah, 42-year-old marketing executive who spent over $3,000 on expensive laser treatments, only to watch her acne scars come back even darker than before. Why? Because she was treating the symptoms while completely ignoring the root cause. Here's the brutal truth that no one wants to tell you. 90% of people are approaching acne scar treatment completely backwards. They're obsessing over the scars while their skin is still actively breaking out. It's like trying to paint a house while it's still on fire. And the skincare industry? They're making billions off your confusion. They want you to believe you need their expensive procedures, their harsh chemical peels, their invasive treatments. But what they don't want you to know is that nature has already provided everything you need to heal your skin. If you just stop sabotaging yourself, the woman I mentioned, Sarah, after following the natural protocol I'm about to share with you, her skin transformed in just 8 weeks. No lasers, no chemicals. No expensive dermatologist visits, just pure natural healing that actually works. So if you're ready to stop throwing money at treatments that don't work and start seeing real results, keep watching. Let me guess, you're probably doing at least 3 of these skin-destroying habits right now, and perhaps you don't even realize it. First mistake, you're still picking at your face. I know you think you're being gentle or you're just helping it along, but every time you touch that skin, you're creating deeper inflammation and guaranteeing that scar will be darker and last longer. I had a client, Michael, a 38-year-old father of 2, who came to me with ice-pick scars covering his cheeks. When I asked about his habits, he sheepishly admitted he occasionally picked at breakouts. Occasionally turned out to be daily. His skin was in a constant state of trauma. Second mistake? You're using harsh scrubs and thinking you're exfoliating away the scars. Wrong. You're actually creating micro tears in your skin and making the pigmentation worse. That St. Ives apricot scrub, that fancy rotating brush system, they're destroying your skin barrier and keeping you trapped in an endless cycle of irritation. Third mistake, and this is the big one. You retreating acne scars while you still have active acne? This is like trying to heal a wound while someone keeps reopening it. Your skin cannot repair existing damage while it's still being damaged. But here's what really makes me angry. The skincare industry knows these mistakes are keeping you dependent on their products. Again, they profit from your confusion. They want you to believe that healing takes years, that you need expensive procedures, that natural solutions don't work. The truth, they're lying to you. Here's what actually happens when acne scars form, and why everything you've been told is wrong. When your skin experiences inflammation from acne, your body's natural response is to flood the area with immune cells and begin the healing process. But here's the problem. If you keep interrupting this process with harsh chemicals, physical manipulation, or by allowing new breakouts to occur, your skin gets confused. Think of it like this. Imagine you're trying to heal a cut on your arm, but every day someone comes and reopens it slightly. That wound would never heal properly, right? It would leave a much worse scar than if you had just left it alone to heal naturally. That's exactly what's happening to your face. Every product with harsh acids, every physical scrub, every time you pick at a breakout, you're interrupting your skin's natural healing cascade. I worked with Jennifer, a 29-year-old teacher who had been using glycolic acid peels for 2 years. wondering why her post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation kept getting worse. The acid was stripping her skin's protective barrier faster than it could repair itself. Within 6 weeks of stopping the harsh treatments and switching to natural healing support, her dark spots began fading for the first time in years. Your skin wants to heal. It has an incredible capacity for regeneration. But you have to stop sabotaging the process and start working with your skin's natural mechanisms instead of against them. Now here's where everything changes. Instead of fighting your skin, we're going to support its natural healing process using ingredients that have been healing damaged skin for thousands of years. The first principle of natural scar healing is this: you must treat active acne completely before addressing any scarring. Not kind of treat it. Not it's mostly under control. Completely clear. For this, we turn to nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial agents. Tea tree oil, diluted properly, works as effectively as benzoyl peroxide without destroying your skin barrier. Zinc oxide provides mineral support for healing while protecting against future breakouts. And here's something the skincare industry also doesn't want you to know. Pure aloe vera gel contains compounds that actually signal your skin cells to produce collagen more efficiently than expensive peptide creams. Once your acne is completely controlled, we move to the natural scar healing protocol. This is where most people's minds get blown by how simple and effective this is. First, we're going to use rosehip seed oil, not the cheap processed versions sold at beauty stores, but pure, cold-pressed oil that contains natural vitamin C, vitamin E, and essential fatty acids that literally rebuild damaged skin tissue. Clinical studies show it's as effective as tretinoin for improving skin texture without any of the irritation. Second, we add raw honey masks twice weekly. Real unprocessed honey contains enzymes that gently exfoliate dead skin cells, while providing deep hydration and antimicrobial protection. It's like having a professional treatment in your own bathroom. Third, and this is crucial, we protect and nourish from the inside out. Your skin is rebuilding itself every 28 days. If you're not providing the right nutritional building blocks, no topical treatment will work optimally. The client I mentioned earlier, Sarah. This exact protocol transformed her skin because we addressed the root cause instead of just masking symptoms. No harsh chemicals, no expensive procedures. Just pure natural healing. Let me give you the exact step-by-step protocol that has transformed hundreds of my clients' skin naturally. Morning routine, and this is non-negotiable if you want results. Cleanse with raw honey mixed with a drop of tea tree oil. The honey provides gentle cleansing and healing compounds, while tea tree oil prevents new breakouts without stripping your skin. Pat dry, never rub. Apply pure rosehip seed oil while skin is still slightly damp. This locks in moisture and delivers concentrated vitamin C directly to damaged areas. Use exactly 3 drops for your entire face. More is not better. Finish with zinc oxide sunscreen. Not chemical sunscreens that can irritate healing skin, but pure mineral protection that actually helps skin repair while protecting from further damage. Evening routine. Remove makeup and sunscreen with jojoba oil. It dissolves everything without harsh surfactants that disrupt your skin barrier. Apply your honey mask for 15 minutes twice weekly. On other nights, use pure aloe vera gel as your moisturizer. Here's what nobody tells you about timing. Healing happens at night when your skin is in repair mode. Disrupting this with harsh actives actually slows the healing process. Internal support is equally crucial. Omega-3 fatty acids from fish oil or flaxseed oil provide the building blocks for healthy skin cell membranes. Vitamin E supports collagen production. Zinc accelerates wound healing and reduces inflammation. My client Robert, a 41-year-old engineer with severe sun damage and acne scarring, saw dramatic improvement in 12 weeks using this exact protocol. His wife didn't recognize him in photos. The key was consistency and patience. letting nature do what it does best without interference. Here's the truth about natural acne scar treatment that no one wants to admit. It takes time, but the results are permanent. With harsh chemical treatments, you might see faster initial results, but they're temporary and often make the underlying problem worse. Natural healing builds from the foundation up, creating lasting change. Week 1 to 2, your skin will start calming down. Less redness, fewer new breakouts. Some people notice their skin feels softer immediately. Week 4 to 6, post-inflammatory erythema. Those red marks begin fading noticeably. Your skin tone becomes more even. Week 8 to 12, this is where the magic happens. Post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation starts lifting. Shallow atrophic scars begin filling in as collagen production increases. Week 12 to 16, deep, lasting transformation. Skin texture improves dramatically. Even old stubborn scars show significant improvement. But here's the crucial part. You cannot rush this process. Every time you get impatient and try a harsh treatment, you reset the healing timeline. I worked with David, a 39-year-old accountant who was so frustrated with his progress at week 6 that he tried a chemical peel. It set him back a full month. When he returned to the natural protocol and stuck with it, his results were remarkable. The difference between natural healing and chemical treatments is like the difference between building a house on solid foundation versus building on sand. One lasts, one crumbles. Your skin has an incredible ability to heal and regenerate naturally. Every single day, millions of skin cells are rebuilding themselves. The question is, are you going to support this natural process or keep sabotaging it? The choice is yours. You can continue spending hundreds or thousands of dollars on treatments that address symptoms while ignoring the root cause. You can keep using harsh products that promise quick fixes but deliver long-term damage. Or you can trust in the wisdom of natural healing that has been working for thousands of years. Long before the skincare industry convinced us we needed their chemicals to have healthy skin. The clients I've worked with who see the most dramatic lasting results are the ones who commit fully to natural healing. They stop jumping from treatment to treatment and give their skin what it actually needs: time, gentle care, and proper nutrition. Your transformation starts today. Stop fighting your skin and start supporting it. If this video opened your eyes to the truth about natural acne scar healing, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel for more evidence-based natural skincare truth that actually works. Your future self will thank you. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. Comments are welcome.